Hello and welcome to my channel, the Affiliate Marketing Express, where you can be sure that you will always get insider knowledge, tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your affiliate marketing journey. Thanks for watching. Today's video, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, the Basics, is directed primarily to those of you who are considering affiliate marketing or has recently begun your affiliate marketing journey. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing, let us take a moment to understand the landscape we find ourselves in. According to recent data, the global e-commerce market is projected to reach a staggering $5.9 trillion by 2023, with a compound annual growth rate of 16.9% from 2021 to 2026. This exponential growth is a testament to the immense potential that lies within the digital realm. Affiliate marketing, as an integral part of this landscape, allows individuals to tap into this market and benefit from the ever-expanding reach of online commerce. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services on behalf of merchants or advertisers. Affiliates earn a commission for each sale, lead, or action generated through their marketing efforts. This win-win arrangement enables merchants to expand their customer base and increase sales while granting affiliates the opportunity to earn passive income. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its accessibility. Unlike traditional businesses that often require substantial capital investment, setting up an affiliate marketing business is relatively low cost. In fact, with a laptop, an internet connection, and a sprinkle of determination, anyone can get started. According to a survey conducted by Statista, the global affiliate marketing spend is estimated to surpass $14.3 billion by 2023. This substantial investment demonstrates the growing recognition of affiliate marketing as a profitable venture. Now, let us explore the fundamental pillars that support a successful affiliate marketing journey. 1. Niche selection. The foundation of any successful affiliate marketing endeavor begins with selecting the right niche. A niche represents a specific segment of the market that aligns with your interests, expertise, and target audience. By focusing on a niche, you can tailor your marketing efforts to a specific group of people, increasing the likelihood of attracting engaged and motivated buyers. Research from Rakuten Marketing reveals that publishers who specialize in a particular niche witness higher conversion rates and increased earnings. 2. Building an online presence. In the digital age, establishing a robust online presence is paramount. A website or a blog serves as the heart of your affiliate marketing business, providing a platform to showcase your expertise, promote products, and engage with your audience. Optimize your website for search engines by employing search engine optimization (SEO) techniques, which will enhance visibility and drive organic traffic. Furthermore, leverage the power of social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, to expand your reach and engage with potential customers. 3. Content creation. Compelling content lies at the core of successful affiliate marketing. Through high-quality blog posts, informative videos, engaging social media updates, and persuasive product reviews, you can establish yourself as an authority in your chosen niche and gain the trust of your audience. Research conducted by HubSpot indicates that companies that prioritize content marketing efforts experience 6 times higher conversion rates compared to those who don't. Remember, content is king, and by delivering value to your audience, you can foster long-term relationships and drive conversions. 4. Choosing affiliate programs. Selecting the right affiliate programs is crucial for your success. Look for programs that align with your niche, offer competitive commission rates, and provide high-quality products or services. Research affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Commission Junction, and the Online Business app to find programs that suit your needs. Additionally, consider partnering with reputable brands and companies that share your values, as this can enhance your credibility and strengthen your affiliate marketing business. 5. Tracking and analytics. Data-driven decision-making is essential in affiliate marketing. Utilize tracking tools and analytics platforms to monitor the performance of your campaigns, measure conversion rates, and identify areas for improvement. Google Analytics, for instance, provides valuable insights into user behavior, traffic sources, and conversion funnels. By analyzing these metrics, you can optimize your strategies, refine your targeting, and maximize your earnings. 6. Building relationships. Collaboration is key in the affiliate marketing world. Network with fellow affiliates, industry experts, and merchants to forge meaningful relationships. Attend conferences, join online forums, and participate in affiliate marketing communities to gain insights, share experiences, and uncover new opportunities. Collaborations can lead to joint ventures, guest blogging opportunities, and increased exposure, propelling your affiliate marketing business to new heights. In conclusion, affiliate marketing presents an exciting and lucrative opportunity for beginners to enter the digital landscape, capitalize on the thriving e-commerce market, and create a sustainable source of income. By understanding the basics of affiliate marketing, selecting a niche, building an online presence, creating compelling content, choosing affiliate programs wisely, utilizing tracking tools, and nurturing relationships within the industry, success is well within reach. Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning are paramount. With the right mindset and a commitment to putting in the work, the realm of digital entrepreneurship is yours to conquer. Thank you for your time and attention, and I wish you all the best on your affiliate marketing journey. If you would like to learn our #1 way to start a hyper-profitable online business without any previous experience, please check out the online business app. I will include my affiliate link in the description. Thank you. And remember, success belongs to those who take action. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I'm happy that this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and remember to subscribe, so that more entrepreneurs may be made aware of this valuable content. Until next time, may your affiliate commissions keep rolling in.